Hello everyone, welcome to lecture number 2. Today we will learn about variables and constants in details. What is variable? I have already told that these are the quantities whose value changes during the execution of a program. Then comes naming rules. What are the naming rules? And it first of all its syntax is data type, then comes variable name followed by a semicolon, then comes naming rule. First point, we cannot use any kind of keyword as a variable name, such as int. If is a keyword, so we cannot use as a variable name. And we cannot use special characters such as %d, ampersand symbol. We cannot use them. We cannot take a number as a first character, such as int 5c. Here 5 as a digit of the first character. It may be a word such as int pen, or we may use more than one word without using space, but we may use underscore, such as int code underscore pen. Initialization and declaration of a variable. For example, method 1, we may write a variable in a single line first, int a equal to 2. Method 2, we first initialize the variable name, then in the second line we may give its value. Then comes multiple variables. In multiple variables, we may initialize and declare its value in a single line using comma and assignment operator. Or method 2, we first declare the variable name in a single line, then we declare its value, constants. These are the quantities whose value cannot be changed during the execution of code. It is more convenient if we use it in the global declaration section. And its syntax is has defined constant name, assignment operator followed by its value and comma semicolon, and its scope will be throughout the program. Now learn about what is scope of a variable or scope of a constant. First example, has defined pi equal to 3.14. We all know that the value of pi is 3.14, so it is a constant and we cannot change its value. So in the global declaration section we have to define it. Then comes local variable and which have a local scope. Let's for int I equal to 0. Here I is a local variable, so the variable I has the scope in this local of for loop only, so it is called as having a local scope. Data types and how much memory it allocates or it occupies, then its format specifier. Let's make some columns. First of all data type, then comes memory taken by it, then example of each data type and format specifier. First integer, its memory, it take memory 4 byte, and example 2, 1, t, any integer we may take. Then its format specifier, I have already told that is percentage %d. Then comes character data type. It takes only one byte to store data in it. Then example are a, b, 0 in quotation, single quotation, and its format specifier as percentage %c. Then comes that long data type. In long data type, the memory is taken by it is 8 byte, and numbers which are not in the range of integer, we may take or we may include them in the long data type, and its format specifier is percentage %ld. Then comes float data type. In float data type, the memory is taken by is 4 byte, and the examples are any decimal number. In double data type, it has 8 byte memory allocation, and here after decimal we may use a more number of digits in it. Format specifier is percentage %l. Operator की definition खत्म. Then comes relational operation. First comes relational operation. These are the it gives the result about which one is greater, which one is smaller, is these two are equal or not equal to. It gives information about these things. Then comes arithmetic operation. Different arithmetic operation you may know: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Then comes logical operator. This symbol is called logical OR. Double ampersand is called logical AND, and this is called logical NOT. We may make a table to get clarify about all these. Inputs are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. These are the result for A or B, A and B, not A, not B. How I do this? First of all, count to OR. The definition says if any of the input is true, then the output is true. Here true means 1 and false means 0. Then come AND. If any of the input is 0 or false, then the output is false, and that is it also shown in table. Then come NOT gate. This logic make the invert of the present input, such as if the input is in true, then the output will be false. Means I think you got some idea about this. Then comes assignment operator. Assignment operator means to assign a value to any variable. Such as a equal to 2, x equal to y. In latter we may know plus equal to means x equal to x plus y, minus y minus equal to means x equal to x minus y. Here y has some value, previous value, such as 2, 3, 5 something. Multiply equal to means x equal to x multiply y. That's all for today's lecture. If you love this lecture, then do a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.